Today we are diving into a groundbreaking communication device, the Synco X-Talk X Pro. Synco has made some bold claims here, calling this the world's first 2.4 GHz frequency wireless system without interruption. Let's see what sets it apart. First, let's talk about transmission. The X-Talk X Pro comes equipped with external antennas designed to boost signal strength and stability. This feature is especially useful in environments where barriers like walls or crowds typically interfere with connectivity. And speaking of range, the X-Talk X Pro really pushes the boundaries, offering up to 500 meters of expanded team communication. This kind of distance capability is ideal for a variety of on-site jobs, from live events and broadcast setups to construction and emergency services where you need uninterrupted communication over a long range. One of the great features is Synco's 3 boost modes, which makes this the first wireless system of its kind. Essentially, you have options to adjust your signal strength based on your surroundings and needs. If you are in a highly crowded environment or dealing with thick walls, you can easily bump up the power to maintain a solid connection. When it comes to audio quality, the X-Talk X Pro incorporates 2.0 AEC AI noise cancellation. This is a next-level feature that helps filter out unwanted background noise, ensuring your communication is clear and focused. Paired with SmartFlow Sync and real-time monitoring via a 3.5mm headphone jack, the X-Talk X Pro offers reliable audio clarity, so you know exactly how you are sounding to others. The X-Talk X Pro offers over 24 hours of continuous use on a single charge. These features makes it an ideal choice for extended projects or events where recharging may not be convenient. Weighing only 194 grams, it's designed to be both portable and durable, so it's comfortable for all-day wear. Synco's commitment to durability means this device is built for on-the-go use, whether you are working in the field or moving between different locations. One of the most unique aspects of the X-Talk X Pro is its self-developed firmware, which offers synchronized upgrades across the X-Talk ecosystem. This firmware enables easy updates to keep your device optimized with the latest features such as pairing visualization, which allows you visually confirm the number of devices to pair, simplifying setup by just connecting the headphones and clicking to start pairing. Secondly, the reduced latency. Pairing takes just one click, with the latency as low as 80 milliseconds for up to 5 devices, giving you near real-time audio transmission. And the third comes universal compatibility across X-Talk series. The firmware is compatible with entire Sound Engrave series, allowing you to mix and match single ear, dual ear, new or older models. This flexibility is invaluable for team-based environments with varied equipment. As you can see from these behind-the-scene footages, we used this gear in one of our recent projects and found it to be incredibly helpful and of high quality, so I highly recommend it. My final thoughts are that overall the Synco X-Talk X Pro combines innovative technology with a rugged, user-friendly design. From its extended range and 3 boost modes to top-tier noise cancellation and impressive battery life, it's a well-rounded choice for professionals looking for a reliable, clear and long-distance team communication. So if you are looking for a wireless communication system that can handle the demands of various environments, the Synco X-Talk X Pro is one of the best choices. This is all for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments below. Until next time.